Just check what competitor was it and what video did he send him, so that way we can be sure like the competitors we are modeling after.
Absolutely, yep. So I am.
How much is he charging you?
It's the same, yeah. Like you mentioned, 35.
Oh, nice. Good.
Yeah.
And what was it compared to the other guy you're using?
Oh my gosh. It's not even close. The other guy is like just for a video edit is 150 USD.
Ooh.
Sanjeev. And I'm not gonna lie, I've paid much more. Or because I've had like a guy specifically for voiceover, a guy specifically for script writing, and so I knew I needed to streamline this more and use some AI tools to, outsource some of those work.
So Daniel is doing everything?
Yeah. No.
Nice.
Yeah. Great. Okay, I found the video.
Yeah, great. That's good because end of the day, like the less you pay, the better, right? But as long as you're getting the good quality, the retention is good. Did Daniel also do the thumbnail as well?
I create the thumbnails. That's the one thing I make my own, and I think I wanted to incorporate. I think I remember from the notes we took last session how the background lettering it's either overplayed or it's can be misleading. Like we talked, like it's had the word problem, for example. I'm just testing to see how it works without having the wording, but then incorporating like an arrow, like an orange arrow, just because it maybe